If you've been using gel for your twist outs, your braid outs, your bantu knot outs, you are doing it wrong, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. And also tell you how to do it right. Hey y'all, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the hair doula, and today we're talking about styling creams. I've been waiting for this video. I've been excited about this video. Why? I feel like because they are an underutilized tool. I don't know. I just feel like people obsess over gels a lot, and we don't talk about the styling creams. You know, they don't get enough credit for the roles that they play. Anyways, moving right along. So styling creams, I think, are a very beautiful product. Recently, my mom, who's been using gels for her twist outs, she asked me how to keep her twist outs defined longer because they would frizz out in a day. And I told her about styling creams, gave her some recommendations, and her style lasted for literally like 5 days. Way longer than it used to. It might have been a little less than 5 days, maybe it was like 4 or something, but before it wouldn't even last the day. So this is a game changer, in my opinion, okay? You can try and let me know if it's a game changer in your opinion, okay? Okay, so the first thing that I wanna do is establish that there is a difference between just like your average moisturizing cream and a styling cream. Styling creams are creams that have hold, okay? They have something in there that is meant to help to hold your hair. That's a very important distinction. You can't just go around using any cream and expecting that it's going to help to hold your style, because it's not. Styling creams are really great for setting twists, for setting braids, for setting bantu knots, curl former type things. Things like that, styles where you're probably gonna like disrupt them and fluff them at the end as part of your styling process. You're gonna have to undo them, unravel them, untwist them, unbraid them. Creams are ideal for that. And the reason being is because, and I talked about this in my gel video as well, so I'll link that for you. But gels are not meant to be disturbed. So once you disturb it, like once you use a gel, once it's dry, you're not supposed to touch it. You know, that's your style, that's how it is. And so when you're using a gel on something like a braid out and you have to then disrupt it, the styling components, the things that help to actually keep the hold in that gel, it's not working for you anymore. And that's why it'll frizz out so fast. So it's something where you're gonna have to untwist, unravel, disrupt the style in order to get to your finished product. You want to use a styling cream, because even after you disrupt it, that cream is going to still be helping to hold your style so your style doesn't fail. Now, while styling creams are best for things that you're gonna unravel, things or styles that you may want to use a different product with would be bantu knots and roller sets, when there's a lot of dense hair kind of in one position on your head. Now, creams are gonna work better than gels for these, of course, but there's another product that will work even better that I talk about in another video. Foams would work better for those. The reason being is because when you're using a heavy styling cream on something like a bantu knot, it's gonna take a really, really, really long time to dry. Like a really, really, really long time to dry. It might not really fully dry depending on what's going on and how much cream you use and things like that. There's just so much room for error. So really, if you're going to be doing something like a bantu knot where all your hair is tightly coiled and it's hard for air to get in there, or a roller set where you rolled your hair up into rollers, unless you maybe are using the rollers where it's got like, you know, the holes underneath or something where you're able to get some air flowing in there, avoid using styling creams for that, because they're so heavy that it'll take a really long time to dry. Product recommendations. OYIN. I still don't know if it's OYIN or OYIN, but them. Their handmade Shine and Define is a product that comes recommended. And then Camille Rose Jai twisting butter, which is one that I've used. I love Camille Rose, actually. Camille Rose is pretty cool. The products. I don't know actual Camille Rose if that's a person, but the products are pretty bomb. And the twisting butter specifically comes recommended by a curl specialist. So check those out. Let me know. Have you been using gels for your twist outs and braid outs? If so, how's it been going for you? I'd like to know. And if you try something different, if you try this, let me know how that goes as well. Any questions, comments, concerns? Put them down in the comment section. Like if you liked it, share this with someone that you love, someone whose life you want to make easier, and subscribe if you want to see more. Again, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the Hair Doula, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.